Here's how to fix Steam not opening on your PC. Step 1. Run Steam as administrator. Start by closing Steam completely. Right-click the Steam icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Select Run as Administrator and confirm the prompt. Steam will now launch with full system permissions. Running Steam as administrator allows it to access system files and services required to open correctly. Step 2. Clear Steam download cache. If Steam still does not open properly, clear the download cache. Open Steam, click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. In the Settings window, click Downloads from the left panel. Click Clear Download Cache. Steam will notify you that you will be signed out. Confirm the action. Steam will restart automatically. Log back into your account once prompted. Clearing the download cache removes corrupted data that can prevent Steam from opening. Step 3. Repair Steam service. If Steam still refuses to open, repair the Steam service. Close Steam completely. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type and press Enter. If Steam is installed on a different drive, adjust the path accordingly. Wait for the repair process to complete. Once finished, restart your computer. After restarting, open Steam normally. Repairing the Steam service fixes broken background components required for Steam to launch. Subscribe for more professional Steam fixes and PC troubleshooting guides.